Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a 3D paper sphere. For this super easy project, all you need is paper in whatever colors you choose, a pencil, something circular to trace, which could be a cup, a lid, or a stencil, scissors, and glue. Now to start, you're going to have to trace 20 circles that are all the same size. I'm going to do this using different colors of paper, but you could make multiple circles of the same color if you want to, creating a pattern. You could even do this project using all of the same colors of paper. Once you have 20 circles traced that are all the same size, you are going to carefully cut them out. Watch what you're doing and cut on the lines because you don't want to be cutting in a sloppy fashion, making each of your circles different. You want all 20 of your circles to be the same size. Once you have a stack of 20 circles that are all the same size, you're going to fold them into triangles. Watch here how I begin folding my first triangle. I fold all 3 sides of the circle into the center for an equilateral triangle. Sometimes it's hard to do this without any help, so once you get the first good triangle folded, I think it's best to put that triangle inside one of the circles and fold around it. This will help make sure that each of your folded circles make a triangle that is the same size. Just take your time when you fold your circles into triangles, and if you ever feel like your triangle is not balanced, just try folding it again. To review, as you create your equilateral triangles, you should be folding the same amount of circle in towards the center on all 3 sides. All 3 corners of the triangle should come to a point, and the size and angle of each side of the triangle should be the same. If you ever need to stop before creating your 3D paper sphere, just stack all of your already folded triangles together. When you're ready to begin assembling, you'll need your glue stick, and you'll want to choose 10 triangles for the center ring of your sphere. Arrange these 10 triangles as seen here, from wide to narrow, wide to narrow. You will then glue these 10 triangles together in this pattern. Place the glue on the folded part and glue it to the triangle next to it. Maintain the pattern so that as you glue them together, the arrangement of the 10 triangles stays the same. Watch for a moment to see how I do this. Once all 10 are glued together, you're going to connect the ends to make a ring. Place some glue on the tabs and stick it together firmly. This is the center of your paper sphere. The other triangles that you have left are going to make both ends of the sphere. Divide the remaining 10 into 2 groups of 5. Arrange them as seen here so that a point of the triangles go towards the center, like a flower. Glue the pieces together. As you do so, you'll find that they raise up and create a dome. Take a moment to watch as I create my first dome. You can see how once the dome is created, it's going to be attached to one side of the inner ring. But before I do that, I'm going to assemble the other dome the same way. First, I'll just arrange the remaining 5 triangles into a circle Having all of the triangle points pointed to the center like a flower, I'll glue them together, and then I'm ready to attach both domes to the center ring. Always attach tab to tab. That's the best way to be sure that you're putting the pieces in the correct locations. I think it helps to put glue on 2 tabs when assembling the dome, and then once those 2 are attached, add glue to the other 5 tabs. Trying to do all 5 at once can be problematic because, especially with a glue stick, the glue can start to dry before you get everything set up correctly. As you've just seen, the steps to create a 3D paper sphere are very simple. There's a lot that you can do with these spheres once created. And while I only have one example here, consider making multiples or working with a team to create a large installation. One very simple way to hang your spheres is to put a fish hook style wire into one of the holes where your triangles are meeting each other in a dome. The fish hook will kind of catch and it will create a nice hook. You also can pop a hole either using a pin or a hole punch through one of the tabs and then attach a string or thread or even clear fishing line to hang your sphere. Again, consider working with others, consider making multiple sizes of spheres and collaborating together, or just hang one on its own. I hope you enjoy this fun and simple project of creating a 3D paper sphere and explore all the many things that you can do with them. Thanks for watching. Bye!